After the first day, I felt change. That night, I slept like a baby. I went to my hotel room and I just shut the door, hit the bed, slept. So after the first day, I definitely realized there's something good. I'm very focused and clear, and from what I understand, it just keeps getting better. So everyone they really made me feel like I was not the drug addict that flew in from Charleston, that I was their brother, or their nephew, or, their cousin. That's how I felt. And, you can't put a price on that.
I feel better than I've ever felt. I can't remember feeling this good. Physically and mentally. I mean, my thinking is more clear than it's ever been, as far as I can remember. And so I'm happy I did this. I mean, I'm so happy I did this. It's been a great experience.